Okay, right now we're doing carcasses. To the people that don't know what carcasses is, it's like a vacuum machine that hooks up to my tree and it sucks the mucus out. I'm gonna give you a demonstration of it. Okay. It's just, you ready? You ready?
One, two, three. 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 Yeah. One, two, three.
And basically, put the cord in there. And just let them see the cord. See what it does is it basically, sucks the mucus out our chest. It's really efficient, It's definitely efficient because it helps a lot. I apologize, y'all. This is real life. My two daughters, and I don't know what they was doing, so I clicked in the daddy mode. But I just really wanted y'all to see that, and witness that. We got a lot more for y'all. I'm gonna basically, hold on, back up a little bit. I'm gonna basically show y'all my day-to-day routines and, just give y'all the inside look on a quadriplegic's life, my life, and, how we get through day-to-day with our stuff. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all tune in. Also subscribe to it, and I'm gonna give a few tips for people that is quadriplegic, from the things that I've learned and from the things that I've studied being like this. So y'all just stay tuned, rock with me, and we might can help some people with this. So I thank y'all for watching, and I thank y'all subscribing to my page. Thank you.